been out here for like half an hour. Leslie went to the bathroom. Can you give her a call? Cruz has been waiting for lunch since like 9 in the morning.
Everybody knows how hungry.
He's a hungry boy. Look at him. Devoured those snacks.
Look at this.
What you got in there?
This is all we're gonna eat. That's it.
What do you have?
Just chips.
What kind of snacks you got in there? Doritos.
All the Eatos family. The Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos.
Alright, that's enough.
Hot Cheetos. What is this?
It's for everybody. Okay?
You told me I couldn't have any. Are you okay?
No.
What happened?
I got wet.
How did it go? Let's see who's
Who's the wedding?
Let's see. Yeah, let's see. You're all black, so you can't really tell. Cruz, turn around. I don't know why they named it Poo Corner. I think bathroom would have been fine. Cruz and Leslie thought it would be fun to go on a different train and not wait for me in the line, even though I was right behind them. So now I gotta ride my own train. But joke's on you, because the fun is over here. It was a pretty fun ride. I got to ride it all alone. I had my own seat. Every turn I got to go on each edge. Oh, we're turning right, I got to go all the way to the right. If we're turning left, all the way to the left. Now I got to wait for Cruz and Leslie. Cruz, where are we going now?
Tom Sawyer Island.
They've never been to the island? Leslie, what's the island called?
I don't know. I can't hear him. What is it called?
Tom Sawyer Island.
Tom Sawyer Island.
Tom Story Island? It's not Tom Story Island. Damn, denied. It's closed. So now we're gonna get on the train.
I've been saying I'm hungry for like the past hour.
You're always hungry. Leslie, are you always hungry?
No.
Cruz?
I am.
Cruises.
Well, I am, yeah. So we're gonna make a sandwich right now. Oh, Leslie's gonna make a sandwich. I don't know what I'm doing.
Why can't you make the sandwich?
She has a secret touch.
It's true?
Yeah.
Bacon.
Bacon.
My lunch today, sponsored by Sprouts. Chef Special, number 4 from Sprouts. My favorite.
Hey, that's a big ass sandwich.
It's a delicious sandwich.
This could feed a small village, and here Cruz is gonna devour the whole thing.
Yep.
Don't forget your extra bacon.
That's my side of bacon.
Or your Cheetos.
That's
Is it complete now?
Yep.
Now let's make yours.
Now let's make yours.
Oh my god, I'm running out of video, guys. Cruz gonna wait one more second. Leslie still has to make her whole sandwich. Cruz is lotioning up his delicate hands. He doesn't want them to get too rough.
No calluses, boy. Ladies don't like that. Ben?
Can you smell it?
Look at this.
Everybody at home, can you smell it? We waited, I think, a maximum of like 15 minutes each ride, right?
Yeah. The one that was 25 minutes, stop.
My dicks. Fucking noobs, like they've never had a churro before.
I'll be hating, bro. Look at this lady, she's blocking the street. Over here.
Okay. Two losers. They didn't even ask me to be in the photo. They're making me watch. I'm just sitting over here. Nobody asked me if I want to take a photo, but it's okay. You know, maybe this nice lady that's taking the pictures will say, "Oh my!" And look, and they're setting it up. Super nice. All right, let's be candid. Let's pretend like we're laughing, but we're not laughing. Let's pretend Jesus said a joke. It's super funny. It's just supposed to be like 2 seconds long. We're making a whole damn day out of this picture taking. Oh yeah. Finally they're done. It's okay, I didn't want a photo. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Looks just like you, dude. There's Leslie. Clearly me. Got the guitar. One dimple, no dimple.
Yeah.
One dimple, no dimple.
That's a dimple right there.
No, it's not. That's obviously my brother. It's practically identical. The heck is that? I'm getting tired. Or I'm getting tired. Are you getting tired? It's not even like 4 o'clock and we're already getting tired. So 25 is one hell of an age.
My knees hurt.
I'm gonna be 26 and my back hurts all the time now. So this just in. Cruz.
So Brian called me saying he's here. But here's a kick.
Brian, as usual, shows up late.
It is like
4:25.
And the bar closed at 6 today.
I'm sorry, Brian.
I mean, you can stay here till 8, I guess. You know?
Yeah.
So
I guess we can tell you once you get here. If you don't already know. Okay, here we are at the food stand again. This is Cruz's 5th time eating today. I don't know what he saw these tacos and he just could not resist. But yeah, here we are again. Also, we have a special guest featuring Brian Bear. Oh, let's see what we have over here with Cruz and Leslie.
no way, dude.
What's going on over here?
Dumbass Brian made me all fucking sick. I don't feel good.
I don't feel good either, but I'm a champ.
Honestly, I kind of wanted to shut up, but you guys are like...
No, hey, get one, dude.
Get one.
2, 3. Come here. Look at it.
Does she approve?
No, look how terrible that is. The shadow.
Dude, you fucking suck at
I
this.
can't control the fucking
Yeah.
shadow, bro.
Dude, I probably have diabetes by now.
Right.
You're like one step away from diabetes, Bryant. What are you doing?
I'll just call her tomorrow.
Was it good at least?
I don't want her to come. It's annoying.
You know, it got to the point where it's like so sweet that you just
Sorry
kind of
that
like
you're
feel
there right now.
disgusted.
This is Cruz's 6th time eating today.
Got me shut
You-
up right here.
All right. Thank you. Clink.
Look at they're not.
Bryant, where are we going?
We're going to Coco's.
Day the dead thing.
Alter.
We're going to the little Coco altar, yes. Where's Leslie? Oh, there you are.
Crazy.
Cruz is just trying to get in the most uncomfortable position he can. Bryant, you ready to lose? Are you ready to lose? Because pretension's time for you, man. Bryant's the only person that's ever beat me in my life, and he got lucky. So today we're gonna see who the real winner is. Maybe next time, Bryant.
Good game. Yeah, it was very good.
So I say that we have about only one more ride left. Now we just need to find Cruz and Leslie. Ah!
You little son of
So
a...
now we're gonna ride the roller coaster as the last ride of the day. Here we go on the credit coaster.